Dirty vehicles, grimy concrete, grubby decks, they don't stand a chance against the 2200 PSI pressure washer from Ryobi. Just pull the trigger and relax and let the power of pressure bring new life to garden paths, steps, driveways, timber decks and tiled patios. This Lance has a turbo nozzle that caters for most outdoor cleaning jobs. The pump is made from corrosion-resistant aluminium, so it's built to last. And it delivers around 6.5 litres per minute at 2200 PSI. That's heaps more pressure than a garden hose and uses less water as well. It's easy to switch from gentle spraying and rinsing to a more powerful and directed stream. It's even got a built-in soap dispenser for washing your car. Just don't use the turbo nozzle on your paintwork. But for really stubborn stains on your paths and on your garage, you'll want the turbo nozzle. This unit comes with a patio cleaner and a turbo nozzle, but make sure you check out the full range of attachments to get the most out of your pressure washer. One of these can definitely take the pain out of outdoor cleaning, but more than that, they can be so therapeutic. I'm not kidding, try it.
Ryobi, a cut above.